Straight Talk is a prepaid service, so knowing your expiry date and balance is crucial to avoid service interruptions. There are several easy ways to find this information. The most convenient methods are via the Straight Talk app, available on iOS and Android, or by logging into your account on the Straight Talk website. Both the app and website dashboard display your expiry date and current balance. Alternatively, you can call Straight Talk customer service at 1-877-430-2355 or use their live chat feature for assistance. You will need to verify your account. You can also opt in for free SMS notifications to receive balance and expiry alerts directly to your phone. Checking regularly ensures uninterrupted service. Straight Talk service typically expires 30 to 90 days after activation or your last top-up, depending on your specific plan. It is important to note that unused balances may carry over if you renew your service within the grace period, which is usually 30 days after expiry. However, your unused data and minutes typically do not carry over. To avoid service interruptions, always check your expiry date and balance before they lapse, and ensure you top up your account in a timely manner. Using the official Straight Talk app or website is the most secure way to manage your account and prevent potential scams. Strong passwords and two-factor authentication are recommended.